we are encouraging private Chinese companies to invest in this country because the development of industry is very important, very critical for job creation. And we're informed that the Taizhou City is one of the most developed industrial park. So that's why we have this interest. Yeah, we come here to see. We want to know better about the investment environment here. How many Chinese companies, the involvement of Chinese investment, and what's the potential.
We want to be a catalyst to encourage and facilitate the integration between China and Africa. It's extremely important for Africa, as you know, and we're very, very committed to working with Chinese companies who want to come to Africa to help them on board, to help them integrate into our markets.